Some people think the notch is ugly as heck, but Apple has a reason for why it is still there. If you take a look at modern Android phones, they have completely removed the notch, replacing it with a hole punch design. The main reason is Face ID, but Androids have Face ID and no notch. That is what I'll explain right now. In 2017, Apple introduced the notch on the iPhone X. The reason why it existed was to house vital components, including the front-facing camera, Face ID, and even the ear speaker. Later, Android phones took Apple's idea and added Face ID to their phones. Their Face ID wasn't as secure and reliable as Apple's, because Apple had a 3D Face ID system, while Android phones had 2D. Apple took this up to make sure you couldn't fool Face ID with a picture. The only way to unlock your phone with Face ID is with the shape of your face, which is genetically inherited from your parents, which is why siblings and other relatives can unlock iPhones with Face ID. It has gotten better on the iPhone 13 series. Heck, Apple even shrunk the notch a little bit. Before we continue, here is my dog. This part was suggested by my manager. Nowadays, most Face ID Androids have eliminated the notch because they do not have vital components and have an insecure 2D Face ID system. However, Apple seems to be working on a notchless iPhone for 2022. Will it bring back Touch ID, or will Apple somehow manage to add Face ID to a notchless iPhone? Let us know how you think Apple will pull this off in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and see you in the next video.